Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Rich Post. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working demo, I'm going to show you how to check website status using Spring Boot web application. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Spring Boot updates. So guys, here we go. So first on my screen you can see Spring Boot's web app is working fine. Also you can see my URL localhost 8080 slash check question URL is equal to URL. Now it is showing site is up. Now I will add one wrong URL like this one and refresh. See guys, site is down. And now I will add incorrect URL. See guys, now it is saying the URL is incorrect. So have you seen? It's working fine. And now I will show you my code snippet that I have made inside my VS Code. So guys, here is my Spring Boot web application and here is my code that will check the site status. First I have declared the string is equal to site is up, site is down and incorrect URL is equal to some values. Get mapping, check this URL and here is my function. With the try catch. See guys, it's very simple. First, I'm checking the SCP URL connection with get method, and if count.get response code is equal to 200 means not equal to 200 means site is down, else site is up, and if URL is incorrect means incorrect URL. So guys, have you seen? It's very simple and I have made inside my VS Code. Again, I will show you my front end. See guys, works well. Let me remove this. See, it will happen. White error page. Check. Oops, again error. Now URL. URL is incorrect. Well, have you seen? It's working perfectly. And guys, I will also share the code snippet link inside this video description very soon. And guys, also I will share the code snippet link that will tell you how to make Spring Boot web app inside our VS Code as well. And guys, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.